I've got a Suzuki DRZ400 Supermoto motorcycle here. Registered. Current. It's a 2017 model. These hold their value. They're highly collectible. I keep it indoors. It's got this thing on the back fender. I don't know if that's custom made, one of a kind. I've never seen another one like it. But it's also got this fanny pack pouch on the back. And it's got a cargo net in here with hooks for hauling stuff. It's in pretty good shape. Couple dings. Very low mileage. It does have a new battery. A friend of mine looked at it. He thinks it's worth $12,000. I don't know about that. I know these are highly collectible. They hold their value. Even the parts, people buy them. A few dings like that. This little tail light here had a little ding there. You can see I've kind of patched it. It does work. That's a minor ding there. Looks like we could wash the dust off the tail light. This turn signal here seems to be in good shape. Everything seems to work. The choke works good. It runs great. I just rode it today. It's got the mirrors. See, it does need to be cleaned a bit, the mirror there. And it did fall over. You can see there. It fell over. A little ding. I could touch that up. It broke the knob off the end of the clutch handle. No biggie, it still works. I still ride it just like it is. Other than that, it's in really good shape. It's pretty, it's got nice colors. It's got some bugs on the headlight from me riding. I need to wash it. There's some insect splatter on there. It just needs to be washed. I got a GoPro mount on the handlebar. You can see it's got the digital gauges. You want to see the mileage? Right there. Look at that. Low miles. These bikes are highly collectible. Very collectible. This one's a 2017. That means when you go to the store, you know, they probably ain't gonna have this one anymore. And over the years, the sticker kits change. This one has a nice sticker kit. I like the white motorcycle with bright colors. Some of them are black and charcoal colors. I like bright colors that look nice and that people can see. So, I could sell the bike. I could take some offers. Let me know what you think it's worth. It's a 2017 Suzuki DRZ400 Supermoto. It's got those custom wheel package, anodized 17-inch anodized wheels with street tires. Those are Dunlops. Disc brakes, front and back. Got nice thick heavy duty forks. scooter. Got pegs back here if you want a passenger. You see the dust on the wheel, and does need to be washed. We'll say that. But it's kept indoors. It's a nice bike. It runs good. It's fast. It's got a lot of power. These are supposed to have a better suspension upgrade from the factory than the standard DR series of Suzuki motorcycles. And it's supposed to be an adjustable suspension that you can raise or lower. It's a nice bike. Yes, it'll do a wheelie. There's the power. This bike will move. Let me know what you think it's worth in the comments. It's a California motorcycle. Northern California. Have a nice day.